What up, what up, what up? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I'm not even finna hold y'all with a long intro, pause, in-betweens, etc., etc. Here is a montage of footage from my visit to Detroit. And let's be clear, my visit was to spend time with my son, whom I hadn't done so in months. It was not to hang out, turn up, per se. I did try to do a little bit of sightseeing. That went tragically. You can check that video out in my Almost Lost My Freedom. And I also went out for a great meal with my son. But for the most part, I was at his home, cooking, resting, enjoying the beautiful sights and sounds of nature. It was a really wonderful, peaceful transition, especially coming back and then having my doctor tell me that I had to sit down for a while and follow some instructions and do some talk therapy to continue the healing across my job and just being congruent in my life. Not allowing anything to hurt or stress me in my personal life, but needing to work on those boundaries, etc. in my work life. So anyway, long story short, that was that. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Oh, this right here is where we went to see Creed 3 backyard scenery. Yeah, I was having an amazing time. Anyway, like I was trying to say before, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That was the worst part. And yeah. Thank you for rocking with me. Namaste. His aunt bought him that. I love it. More pictures of me outside. Didn't I already say goodbye? Oh, that was good. Fish and shrimp. Yeah. Oh, I watched him. He was so mad trying to keep everybody from her because she was in labor. You see her? Yeah. Oh, it was so serene, so peaceful, so magnificent. Why did I even say goodbye earlier? We still talking. We still going. Anyway, see you later. Never goodbye. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. I'm going to quit trying to stretch it out. Add a little music ending for you here. Namaste.
No talking, let the slaughter commence. For those who claim king, but low-key softer than Prince. If we was talking cars, maybe Joker at best. And if so, Heath Ledger, I still lay him the rest.